Alright guys, so I just took my hair out of some braids. I wasn't sure when my wig was gonna get here. Anyway, y'all, I recently got this email from Temu and they wanted me to buy some things from their website. I decided I wanted to get something I could promote, see what it is for the girls. I got this wig, guys. It's a 20-inch wig. Don't get to asking me what kind of hair this is supposed to be. First thing first, it doesn't stink. It feels really soft, actually. The only thing I do not like about it is it's super fucking thin and it has a lot of short hairs mixed in, but I guess it's fine. I don't know, because I don't really order, I usually order longer hair, like 26 and up, so I don't know what I was expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but it's definitely, it's a wig and we're gonna try it. I also usually don't order 4x4 closures, but I want something simple. I'm growing my hair out again. I decided I was gonna cut it off, but I decided I'm gonna grow it out anyhow. So I just want to do easier styles on my edges, everything quick. I've been in the gym, so we're gonna see if this wig is really ready to go. Honestly, the knots aren't bad in the part. If you put some makeup, you probably really could make it work if you really wanted to, but I'm gonna bleach it and everything, do the full 9. And the reason why I want to bleach it is because that's gonna tell us if this hair has a lot of real hair in it or not, and just let us know a little bit more tea. Now what I can say is it's plucked really nicely and everything, so from that aspect, after I bleach it, it probably is ready to go. I don't know. I'm definitely gonna cut it and style it. I want to even out the length some because the ends are kind of thin, so probably cut it about right there. I'm gonna do a side part. I don't know, it's giving 90s vibe with the makeup and everything, so I kind of want to style it with a 90s swoop. I have my handy dandy wig kit. Let's see, I don't know. Also, the wig is $40. I feel like for $40 this is a good price. It's a good wig. I don't know. This for the girlies and I want a cutesy, affordable wig. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want a deep side part, but what is that gonna give y'all? Let's see. This is the vision I have. I want to leave a little bit of my real hair out to make the edges and everything. Trying to decide which side I should do. I feel like I never do anything with this side, so I want to switch it up and do that side. Definitely want to cut a little bit of layers. Let's cut it out. Using my little hair scissors. Make it as straight as possible. Now, I didn't want to cut off that little bit of length that I had, but I had to. And I got my good cutting shears. It's going to look good. I'm deciding to switch up the side of my part because I feel like let's do things differently. I usually put it on the side of my nose ring. It literally already looks better. Am I tripping? Alright, let me stop playing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Now I might have did too much. I don't know, I think it kind of looks cute. I think now that I cut it, it already looks so much better. Am I delusional? Now this is the swoop part. This part is actually important. Alright. I don't know why I decided to trim it first. I guess just because I'm excited. I mean, the point of trim was already made by this short piece up here, and I could make it shorter, I guess. This, I'll just curve it. I have to leave that. Ooh, well, she's cut in there now. And that was just based off of how this joint is laying already on it. So, ooh, shit. Now, y'all see what I did? I think I done fucked up the wig already, y'all. Oopsies. Oop. And oop. Now, how the fuck that happen? How did I do that? I can't believe I did that shit. Well, it's there, so gotta go with it. I don't even know how that happened. For real. This will do. I have to layer this shit in here. I don't even want to do that because it's so fucking thin. I don't want to. I did that. I don't know how I did that. Was it bad attention, I guess? Or was it already like that? Me trying to blame the wig already. Alright, she got a little haircut. It was not that much cut off. It'll be cute. Now I'm about to braid my hair. I think the cut looks good, actually. I think it looks better. I cut it a little bit fucked up, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how that happened. How the fuck did that happen? Who the fuck did your hair? This is what it's giving, a little bit low-key, but we'll make that work. Let me braid this hair. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done braiding. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done braiding up my hair. I'm kind of mad I cut the wig before trying it on, because I wanted to show y'all what it originally looked like. I like it. I don't know. I think it can be cute. I'm deciding not to do the middle part, which I think I might need to add the clip. But they did send a clip to add, but I have a whole bunch of clips. But I could put a clip. Anyway, this is cute, and I want to be able to talk about how my hair like. What that hoe said? That hoe ain't said a thing. Let me see. There you go. We can go on now. We finna see. We're at the part where we're bleaching it, y'all. Now I do feel like the wig is low-key too big for my head, but hold up. I'm starting to realize, do I got a small head? I don't, but for some reason the wigs be too big for my head. So what is that about? What do that mean? I don't got a small head, or the wig's just big as shit. Better, I think. This is way better. I'm gonna be able to wear it like this. I play too much. I need to figure out how to make this flatter, which is because the wig is so big. But we gonna get into her. It's about to be cute. Alright, let me stop playing. Let's mix up this bleach. The bleach we'll be using today. I put my robe on because I don't want to mess up my clothes as I'm spill powder. Got the bleach bowl. Take the bleach. We don't even need that much because we're literally just doing the part. So just a little bit of liquid. Oh, I ain't shaking. Alright. Just a little bit of liquid, y'all. Y'all know the drill. And then while this is sitting, I'm on vacuum and messing here. All that haircut. All that chopping happening. Alright, here's my little bit of paste, y'all. Literally only was on the brush. But that's good because that means it's thick. 3 little pre-part lines. Here's the thing. Just kind of spear it on. You don't really want to press. So I'm going to show y'all how I did it. Hold up. Alright, y'all. This is how the paste looked. It wasn't a lot because I don't think a lot was necessary. I'm going to leave this for a good amount of time. Honestly. Oh, I do see it bleaching already. So the hair is real. But at least the hair is real. And it's $40 for a 20-inch wig. That's pretty good. Information will be in a link below. I'm going to go rinse my bowl and vacuum the floor. Now that I washed it, it is looking a lot fuller. I put a lot of oil in. It's still a little bit wet up here. But the bottom is mostly dry. So y'all can see it is looking fuller. I'm about to style it. I don't know if I want to do curls or straight. Honestly, I think it looks really cute straight. But I'm doing the styling. I decided to leave a little bit of my hair out. Since it's a 4x4, it doesn't really have a lot of room for edges and all that. And I wanted the edges they do have to stay for the bangs. Because I feel like they did pluck it good enough. I didn't bleach it, honestly, that much. Bleach the knots. But I feel like I bleached the part that really matters. Just me showing you guys my new spring hairdo. And like a hair inspo video. I'm going to start doing more stuff like this. Really, I guess it's just reviewing the wig. Reviewing this $50 Temu wig. How you did it? Probably don't even need these hairs down here, but I'm still gonna do them. Ooh, it's hot. Really? Yeah. I know I probably shouldn't do this while flat ironing my hair, but I can do these just a little bit. Alright, y'all, I actually decided I don't want to curl the hair. I want to straighten it. So, scratch that. Although it did hold the curls, which I showed y'all in the close-up video. I'm going to cut the lace. So I'm actually pretty impressed with this. Honestly, truly. We tested the hair. The quality seems good. I'm going to do an updated review on it. So make sure y'all stay tuned and follow my page to see. Let's cut the bougie. Just don't cut it straight is what I do know. You want it to be an attractive line. Which I know sounds crazy, but it's true. I actually want to test out what it would look like as a middle part. Because I didn't do that. I don't know why. Just because I want to see how my cutting went. Could I wear it again in a different style the next time I wear this wig? So I just cut the lace off. As y'all seen, I did go ahead and bleach the knots. But they were claiming that this wig was a glueless, ready to wear wig. Ignore the fact that one side is curled and one side ain't. And I cut this side differently than this side. But ignoring all those factors, I feel like I could still wear this wig straight out the box, honestly. You would need a part now. Don't play with yourself too much. But I feel like it could be possible, honestly. Y'all will see it this summer, probably. That's one of my little transition styles now. The lace is actually really good, I think. Now, is it the best way? Is it HD best lace in the world? No, but it looks really good. It looks really cutesy. Let me see it in a mirror. I need a mirror. Where's my mirror? I already am starting to act different. The wig good, y'all. And I just cleaned my desk. And this is why it's never clean, because it takes too much to clean it. It's actually really cute, honestly. I can't lie. The length is just so different for me, but I feel like that's why I like it. And I also like the face framing layers. It's gonna be so cute in the middle part. It gives like goth girly who was dead, sweet girly. I don't know, but I'm glad I didn't do a middle part because it's like daddy. Let's get for real. Hopefully she answers. I'm all a different person. Hello. You're sick. What are you doing? That's how you treat somebody that you're supposedly thinking about? Never mind. Well, you're not funny. That's the thing. You're just not funny. I don't even know what the fuck I called you for. Sick of the nasty treatment. Honestly. Stop funny, just fucking lame. Alright guys, but I did want to come and show you guys the final outcome of the hair. Hold on. This is how it came out. I feel like it's super cute. It was supposed to be a little Aaliyah vibe. The hair is, but it's honestly not bad. The rule of thumb is if you can see through the wig while it's to the front, that means it's just too thin to even wear. Which it isn't that bad, so I can't be mad. And I feel like it's super natural. Honestly, I feel like it's just laying a little bit weird, probably because I tried to make it into a side part, but I'm not mad. So this is how the side part hangs, because I wanted it to be like a 90s vibe. I don't know, I just feel like 90s fine was different. So that's the type of fine I'm trying to be, honey. But for me personally, I know it works for Leah. Oh, honey. It works for her, but it feels like my head is humongous. I feel like Megamind. And I don't know, honestly, what is causing that feeling. But the hair is really good quality. It holds a curl nicely and it's so soft. And I've been brushing it all day. No hair in the brush. For real. The only hair that is currently in my brush is from last night when I was cutting the hair. So the fact that this hair isn't shedding, honestly, I be spending $300 plus on wigs and stuff. Curly wigs and all, and my curly wig shed so terribly. That was a high quality wig. And not shedding, so soft, taking the heat. It's worth the price if you ask me. I think it's worth the price and I recommend it for my girls. Now, will you have to do some trimming, shaping, styling to the wig? Yes. But I think it's worth it, y'all, for a quick transition style, or if you want something super natural, a sew-in, quick weave that's actually quick. This is for you. This is the wig for you. I think it came out super cute. Are you guys seeing the lives? I didn't curl it. I'm gonna curl it this weekend, so stay tuned to see what it looks like curled. For part 2, I'm gonna do a review and show it curly.